today we cleaned a piston, and that's about it. It's pretty boring, but here's some time lapse. We're now up to 3 clean pistons, because we can all count. We only have 5 more to go, and then we get to clean the crank, which will be exciting. Some nice rust there. We're going to clean the block, which you probably won't see. I've got a hot tank at my job, so I'll probably take the block there and hot tank it, but we'll probably do some detail stuff here. I'm going to clean the intake. Got to disassemble and clean both of the heads, and then I actually have to do some machining to these heads, which is going to be exciting. We're going to see if we can figure that out. Got to find a way to mount the head to the drill press so that the drill press can drill. Well, we're going to pull the studs out, but it can re-drill these holes, and then we're going to tap them and put threaded rocker studs. That way they can't pull out at 8,000 RPM. That's pretty much all I have today. So we'll see you tomorrow.